come and sing your ABC sounds, learning phonics all around. A says apple bright, red and shiny, what a sight. B says buzzing bee, flying happy near a tree. Says clever cat, wearing a funny yellow hat. D says drum so loud, boom boom boom, it makes us proud. E says little egg. F says fish has a fin. G says goat says hello. H says hat says hello. I says white. J says jam's just right. K says kite flies high. L says lion says hi. Says moon at night. N says nest feels right. O says octopus swims. P says piggy grins. Q says queen waves high. R says rabbit hops by. S says sunny day. T says top spins away. Says umbrella bright. V says van's in sight. W says whale says splash. X says box goes crash. Y says spins. Z says zebra grins. Like, subscribe, and join the Learn with Hazel family.